In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on Wix. If your headings feel a little too loud or your paragraph text looks tiny, resizing your text in the Wix editor is quick, visual, and easy to control. We'll focus on clarity and consistency so your pages look polished and read comfortably. Begin by locating the text on your canvas that you want to adjust and click the text box to select it. When it's selected, you'll see handles around the element and a small toolbar, which confirms you're targeting the right item. If you only want to change a particular word or sentence inside that box, highlight just that specific portion after selecting it so the change applies only where you intend, not to the entire block. Next, open the text controls by choosing Edit Text. This opens the full text settings panel where Wix groups options like font family, weight, color, alignment, and the control we need today, size. Keep your text or highlighted portion selected so you'll see your edits update in real time as you work. Now adjust the font size slider. Drag to the right to increase the size and to the left to decrease it. As you move the slider, watch how your text reflows within its box and within the surrounding layout. Aim for a size that's easy to scan without forcing awkward line breaks or pushing nearby elements out of balance. Headings should be clearly larger than body copy to create hierarchy, while paragraphs should remain comfortable for extended reading. Remember that different fonts can appear larger or smaller at the same numeric size, so rely on how it looks, not just the number on the slider. A few helpful guidelines while you fine-tune. Keep similar elements consistent. Make all section titles the same size and treat captions or disclaimers uniformly so the page feels intentional. Prioritize legibility. If you have to squint, go a little larger, and if the text dominates the layout, scale it back. Try to maintain a healthy line length so sentences don't feel cramped or overly stretched. As you adjust, give your layout a quick visual scan to ensure the text still has breathing room and aligns neatly with images, buttons, and other content around it. And that's it. Click the text you want to change. Choose Edit Text and use the font size slider until it looks just right. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your headings will stand out, your paragraphs will read smoothly, and your site will instantly feel more professional and user-friendly.